In part 2 of my video, today I'm going to show you how to embroider the eyes with eyelashes. They work pretty much just like the ones without the eyelashes. So you got your piece that you want to embroider, you got your yarn and your needle. Once you picked your spot where you want your eye to be, and once you decided how big you want it to be, in our case it's 3 stitches long, you insert your needle from the inside into your piece. And then don't forget to hold your tail, because we'll have to put tension on the yarn to shape the eye. So don't forget to hold it. Then you're gonna insert your needle back into your piece. In our case, 3 stitches to the right. That's our base for our eye. Now we want it to curve like this. So we're gonna pick a spot that's 1 round underneath this bit of yarn, because as you can see here, our eye is as high as 1 round is tall. So you're gonna insert the needle back into your piece from the inside again, like this. And then that's the really important part. We thread the yarn underneath this part here, like this. And now this is what's different from stitching the eye without the eyelashes. Usually we would bring the yarn down and insert our needle right back into the spot here where your yarn exits your piece. But we need the eyelashes, so you have to insert your needle back into your piece a little further down. This is where I say I cheat a little, because usually we try to avoid going into the stitches. We try to go into little gaps between the stitches. For me at least, I found that my results are nicer if I don't put the needle between the stitches, but actually into a stitch. So here I'm gonna insert my needle right into this part here. It's a little tight if you do it that way. Okay, and you got your first eyelash. Looks funny right now because, you know, we're missing the second eyelash. So you have to pick a second spot a little bit to the right, about 1 stitch, like this, and then go underneath this part again, like this. And then again I'll pick a spot that's where I have to split the yarn a little bit. For me, I just find my end result is nicer. I'm sure everybody's different. Okay, and then that's how it looks. Yeah, so the shape, how the eye looks, I think I already said that last time. It depends a lot on how neat your stitches are, and I find by not inserting your needle between the stitches, but actually into a stitch where I split the yarn, I just find it keeps the yarn in place, and it just looks neater. But yeah, I'm sure everybody's different. That's how I do it. I hope this helps some of you. Just keep practicing. Don't give up if it doesn't look right the first time. That's normal. Still happens to me. But practice, practice, practice. I hope I was able to help some of you. Thank you for watching, and maybe till next time.